Tonight, an ABC4 News special assignment. We're taking an in-depth look into your safety in your own home. What's in your freezer and could it make you sick? Talking about your ice. Bacteria, fungus, mold. ABC4's Brian Carlson did the legwork and the testing to find out, is there dirty ice in your home?
E. coli, coliform, 3 willing volunteers to find out what's in their ice inside their own freezer.
It's interesting to find out.
I'm excited to find out if it's clean or dirty.
I was hoping that my ice was going to be cleaner than anybody else's.
I even tested our ice at ABC4 News, used by all our staff.
I'm Ice.mp4.
The curiosity stems from our undercover investigation about dirty ice in local restaurants and the shocking results we found.
So you got this machine 4 years ago and haven't cleaned it since then?
No. In May, I showed the owner of Moe's Place these pictures of the bacteria and fungus in his ice, called Pseudomonas aeruginosa, or water bug. According to the health department, it can make the average person sick and potentially cause death to someone with a weakened immune system. He's been serving that to customers.
I drink more than anybody, so I feel terrible about that.
But because of our investigation, the owner changed his ways.
I didn't know it was a problem. I do now. It's clean, and it'll be consistently clean now.
The other worst offender? European pizza.
You're the manager?
Yes.
Are you also the owner?
Yes.
I showed him these photos. Fungus thriving on samples of his ice.
This tested with fungus that was too numerous to count. Do you think that's healthy to be serving to customers?
No, but I don't know what's caused that.
He showed me the ice machine, but still had no answers about why his ice was dirty.
You don't have any explanation?
No, I don't.
That's the same answer I heard over and over again.
No, I really don't know.
Until he kicked us out.
Well, I'm done with you guys.
So would we have similar results with an ice maker in your freezer? We followed the procedures given us by the lab, bagged the samples, marked with the volunteers' names, and turned it over for testing.
It's very important for me to find out what the results are going to be.
As we collected Sandra Bell's sample, she was confident about the cleanliness of her freezer.
I've done everything I can to keep it clean, so I'm hoping for the best.
But there was a problem.
This was results from your house.
Oh my God. So am I like the worst?
You were the worst.
An estimated 2,040 bacteria colonies growing on her test plate.
I'm so embarrassed.
In comparison, one volunteer had 1 colony. The ABC4 News plate had 2 colonies. The next worst results, besides Sandra's, had 69.
It really grosses me out.
But it's not as bad as it sounds. Sandra's samples tested negative for E. coli, salmonella, and other dangerous types of bacteria. Her ice is basically dirty, but not harmful. And there's an easy fix.
We're going to have a cleaning crew come over and show you what you need to do to keep your ice clean.
Jared Evans with Janny King stopped by and showed Sandra the steps of cleaning the actual ice maker in the back of her freezer.
Oh, I didn't even know that was back there.
White distilled vinegar is the trick.
We want to release those deposits that are sitting inside those areas and get them flushed out.
Some spraying and a little brushing about every 6 months.
I was really nervous about what I might have to do to clean it, but now I know that it's not as hard as it looks.
Should take care of any dirty problems with your ice at home, so your cubes come out pristine clean. Brian Carlson, ABC4 News, Night Team.
Another tip for keeping your ice clean. Jared from Janny King suggests about every 5 years you might want to replace the ice maker in your freezer. The cost runs from about $50 to $150.